Well, I didn't die.
Yeah, and no dying, no dying.
Jamar, how you do? Have you ever seen a fruit that looks like it's out of this world, from another planet? Well, I have one for you. The screw pine. I call it the alien fruit. We're gonna look at it, we're gonna explore it together, and I'm gonna share with you some of the ways people use it. Health benefits, all the good stuff. Stay with me to the end because I also have 2 weirder facts about this interesting fruit to share with you. If you're brand new here, so meaning you're here for the first time, I want to invite you to join me on my journey. I do a lot of videos talking about stuff like these: unusual fruits, exotic fruits, medicinal herbs, all the good stuff about Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to the alien fruit, the screw pine. So I'm on my way to Sir Tom, guys, to do a special feature. I think we're gonna do the santal fruit. And I stopped by here. This is a beautiful river on the side of the road here. Right up here in the Cambridge, the Seven Rivers area. I stopped by to take a picture. I said I'm gonna share it with my online audience today. So I stopped down here, took the picture, and on my way back, I ran into this stuff on the side of the road. Right here on the side of the road in the Seven Rivers area here in the Cambridge area. I got curious, so I picked it up. Yeah, this weird looking stuff, this alien looking stuff. I looked up and realized it came off this tree. Now, the fruit is weird, but the tree also appears to be weirder, right? Look at the tree. Look at the trunk. Yeah, so there's one main trunk in the middle, apparently, and then there are several legs coming off the side of the tree into the ground. I learned something about it, that the trunk itself sometimes goes and leaves these legs, these roots, to hold up the tree. So that's another interesting thing about this alien fruit, I call it, on the tree. So look at it. It grows high, tall, right on the side of the road here. This is the fruit. This is the actual fruit, the complete fruit. Look under the tree. So this is where my curiosity began, guys. And of course, you know me, I reach out to the man who is responsible for this rare find. Look at that, look at that. Look at how beautiful that is on the ground. This is the man, Sir Belcher. Sir Belcher, what a gala.
Yes, man, give thanks, you know, brother.
Every time, man.
Yeah,
And I tell you, the man is so humble, man. I tell you, the man is a gem, man. I think that's the property here, beautiful river in the background, with unusual fruit, the peace and tranquility of the community, man, just resonate with you, man.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Boy, I'm curious about this fruit. Where you get this thing from?
You know, sir, this place when I name this hotel, and then I go get, you know, a Rich Carlton, you know.
Rich Carlton?
Yeah, Rich Carlton.
Oh, you mean the hotel?
Yeah, that time the hotel. It never big, so like how it big. The place never stay, so like it was around about inside.
Yeah.
Where you could get a plant.
Yeah.
Oh. Most of my plants that I have around the house, you know. I get them from the hotel or the airport, you know.
Oh, okay.
Going and I see first time I could have just pull up a plant.
Yeah.
And gone, you know. Let's
talk about it a little bit, because this is what it looks like, guys. It's probably grow to about maybe 50 feet fire.
No, it don't reach 50.
You know 50. You know reach 50.
I think to reach 50.
Or 40 feet.
Yeah, it's all about 40 feet.
About 40 feet. And this is how it grows. With the roots, but when you get look like this, you know, when you plant look like this, you know, after you plant it come like this, you know. Yes, and I learned something. I shared it with you guys earlier, that sometimes the middle part, the trunk actually give way and leave the root them to hold it up together.
Yeah, you see the tree never stay like this, you know. You know, see how fire get when it from me and burn it and make it look like this. It did look more cover and more.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Brother.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. But this is it. This is it, guys. How long you have it here? How long is it? How long is it here?
I come here from 87, you know, so most likely, I think about 89 going up in them time. 89.
You mean it from that time it's here?
Yeah, about 990s. I think about 990s. I mean,
some more than 30 years, man.
Yeah, man.
Close to 40 years.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you see?
Also from 87, but we never have this yet.
Uh-huh.
So most likely, when we start building my first room.
Yeah. So it grows like this, guys. I hope you can see it. A big round, maybe like a 5-7 pound fruit.
Yeah.
And then when it ripes, it looks like this. And then the legs,
Take time and drop.
they fall off one by one.
Yeah.
So you don't normally pick it like that up there. It just fall off.
When we usually pick it like that, people usually have function. Yeah, so they would have come and say, like, I don't buy them, you know, they just ask me if they can get to it. So I just give them. But when they show me all the decoration, tell you, man.
Pretty.
Yeah, even them things that they usually buy the leaf them from the same here, you know. Yeah, do them decoration.
The decoration.
Yeah.
Nice. And man, it will really decorate the place here, man.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful. Oh, this is a good one. Here's a good one, guys.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like, kind of round, oval. And these are the fruits now hanging, what do you call them?
The flower.
The flower, all right, the flower hanging out.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like. We're actually gonna explore. We're gonna cut it. I'm gonna ask fire, and I'm gonna be brave and taste it.
Yeah, cannot not do it.
Yeah, nothing gonna do it, right? So we're gonna, all right. Fireman, I cut it. All right.
No, do it, man.
Yeah.
Just the taste, man. You just have the taste. No,
Very floral.
Just taste it and you repeat the taste.
The alien fruit.
I know nothing to make you feel like something you don't eat. I just show you don't know how it.
Yes. So don't run, guys. It's not gonna hurt you.
Not going to do nothing hurt, no belly,
nothing like that. In fact, we're gonna talk about it actually loaded with. It's a healthy fruit in a fire.
Yeah, man.
So I did some research yesterday in preparation for this, and I realized it's a very healthy fruit. I'm gonna share with you how people actually use it.
Okay.
How use it across the world.
Oh.
Yeah, man. It's originated in Southeast Asia.
Oh.
Let's say, and they use it a lot there. So I'm gonna share some of this stuff with you guys about this. The alien fruit. Look at the actually let's actually open this. So this is what, again, a little closer up, guys. This is what it looks like. It's about each piece or each peg, I'm gonna say, it's about 3 inches long.
Yeah.
3, 4 inches long.
Yeah.
This is the part that is attached to the bigger piece or the bigger pine, or the bigger part of the fruit. And I am told that this is the part that you would eat if you're gonna eat it, right here.
Yeah.
People use it for all kind of things, all kind of stuff. This part here is a little rough, very
hard.
right? And then this is the color, bright, beautiful yellow. Those of you into color will probably can define it a little better than me, yellow red. But it's very vibrant, tough. Very tough. You can't just bite it easy.
Yeah, it's just like red, gold, and like green, red, and gold.
Green, red, and gold. The fireman say.
Yeah.
And it's very fibrous, as you can see. Very fibrous.
Yeah.
Right. So it's tough.
Yeah, tough.
But it's very sweet. Has a very unique.
It's so sweet that it gives the taste there.
Yeah.
Where the vitamin I that like I don't know. You just hear the taste there. Where
it's a very unusual taste.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Very unusual taste here. So I'm gonna explore it. I'm gonna get creative now. So this is a part that breaks off from the bigger fruit, right? And this is the part now I learned that you eat. You can just suck it. You can't chew. It's very fibrous. So if you chew it, it's gonna be tough, rough. You have to just chew it and spit out the trash, right? So wish me luck. I'm gonna try it for the first time. Actually, let me cut it first. I'm gonna cut it in the middle. Cut it down. Ooh, tough. The further down you go, the tougher it gets.
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh.
You broke your knife.
Okay, I'm cut the knife. Alright, so I'm just gonna suck it. Alright. Told you have to just suck it and spit out the trash, right? Very sweet. Alright, so let me ask Fire to describe it a little better. Floral, very... What would I describe it as? It's hard. As a certain would say, it's hard to tell you about a fruit when you have never had the fruit.
Sure.
It's very, very unusual. Yeah. But it's sweet. I would say
man,
floral.
Yeah, man. The taste not stop you from eating. You just all the taste stays.
And obviously, if you're gonna eat this, you have to be patient.
Yeah. No, you tell me I go like that, you know, so you go cut up some of them, wash up some of them, cut them up and blend me out like that.
Yeah, no. Well, I didn't die.
Yeah, no dying, no dying.
Alright. Guess what, guys? I found a new way to have it. Knock it a little bit. Cut the end, knock it a little bit. And all the juice will just come running out towards the end. Towards the top, right? Look. Here's the juice. See? And when you do that, now you get all the juicy juice. And all this succulent flavor. It tastes nice. Alright, so Fire, have some more. You normally use it, Fire, here?
No, I never use it, you know.
Not really, you just have it maybe for the decoration.
Just like a flower, yeah.
More like a flower. So I'm going to get a lick to it now, guys. But see? All the fibers and stuff coming out.
Yeah.
It's screw pine. A lot of people pass here and nobody tells you a Duppy Fruit, Fire.
No, sir, nobody never tell me that. Everybody always ask me, say, what if I think white pan all them kind of way, you know?
Oh!
Yeah.
And a lot of the fruit that we don't know, we call them Duppy Fruit, you know.
Yeah, but know them way there.
So you've seen it now. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about, this screw pine here now and how people use it. But just before I tell you that, I'm going to mention that I mentioned to Belcher, yeah. That is a very, very healthy fruit. Let me keep one of them in my hand. Yeah, so it's a very, very healthy fruit. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin C, all of those vitamins are in there. Yeah, man. In fact, most
say you got so much vitamin in it when you put in your mouth, you can't just taste your mouth, you get a red. Yeah, man.
I agree. So I did some research on it. You can research it further, guys. It's actually loaded with vitamin minerals and.
But now you tell me.
Yeah.
Me I go use up.
Please do. Yeah. And a lot of people actually know. People who are passing Cambridge here, who pass it and they smell the floral scent. It's very. You can smell it from a distance. Sure. Very strong.
Yeah, man, a nice smell to you.
Yes. In fact, when I came here first, when I passed it, I took up one. I have it in the car. It's still in the car. Yeah. Up to this day, it's still there. Right. And it's almost like an air freshener in the car.
True,
it's very nice, very nice. These elements in there actually aid in digestion, support muscle and nerve function, support vision, skin health, and build immunity. Wow. And even in some cultures they use it for pain relief, you know. And Sir Belcher, guys, is going to pick some of the fruit fresh off of the tree. All right. And meanwhile he's doing that, I'm gonna share with you exactly how it's used. Actually, just before we go into how people use it, I'm curious. I want to find out from you. You would have seen me eating the fruit earlier. But is it something you personally would try? I want to hear from you. Put yes in the comment if you think you'd try it. Or hell no. Actually, just say no. Number one, people just eat it fresh. These individual segments, they call them keys, Fire. They call those pieces keys.
Okay.
The keys, yeah. The keys of a fruit are sometimes eaten fresh. The inner, softer part can be chewed or sucked.
You want to do all of them?
Yeah, man, pick them, man, for its slightly sweet flavor. However, it's not commonly consumed this way as a fruit. It's very fibrous, as we spoke about earlier, and it's tough. You know? So number two is it's actually the most popular way that people use it. Yeah, man, pull it down, Fire. Let me see that piece. Yeah, number 2 is probably the most popular way that people use it. And that is, if I can pull it that side. And that is in juices. Ah, that's beautiful. The juice is extracted from the keys and used as a refreshing drink or as a base for other beverages. The juice is believed to have medicinal properties and can be used to treat various ailments. And number 3.
You can see like this piece of in
the juice.
The juice.
Yes, man, you can see it. Number 3, fire. So I promise you, so I'm going to share 8 of them with you, how people use it. So the first one is to eat fresh, but it's not, a lot of people don't eat it fresh because it's tough.
Okay.
Yeah, but the second way, most popular way, is juice. They juice it. And they use it as a drink, or they use it as a base for other drink because it's strong.
Yeah, it's strong.
The aroma,
yeah,
and the scent and the flavor. And the third one, especially in those cultures I mentioned to you, South Asian cultures, they use it in traditional medicine. The pulp is applied to wounds topically and to treat skin conditions. So this piece here, so if you have a cut, there's the same top part, yeah. They actually rub it on I put it on it. Yes, man. The fourth way, people use it in craft. Yeah, man, general utility and craft. So this is the hard outer part, the tough outer part. I'm gonna ask Fire to show me the tough part there, Fire. Yeah, that tough part there, they use in craft, are used as a natural scrubber because it's tough and fibrous. That part there. The leaves, interestingly as well, are used for weaving mats, baskets, and other items. Oh, and there's another thing about the leaves too, guys. The leaves. Yeah. And then we can pop on the leaf from the fire. Go back and pop on the leaf. Cut it. You have a knife?
We'll see if it can come.
Yeah. You can cut off one nice leaf, yeah. I'll pull it off. Alright. So the leaves, while it's not...
Watch your water.
Ooh, water. Ooh. Okay. What should I get a knife?
But you have to go cut it.
Yeah, man. Use a knife.
See knife I ground there.
Yeah. So the leaves, guys. Sorry about that. The leaves are used in various cuisines, particularly in Southeast Asia. So I've been talking about Asia earlier. The leaves impart a fragrant aroma and flavor to rice, desserts, and other dishes. You know, man, they put it in a food. It's almost like cinnamon. Yeah, man, they put it in food. The fruit seeds are also grounded into a powder and used in traditional dishes. Right, so these pieces again, they dry it and ground it and use it to add flavor to the dishes.
Oh.
Yeah, man. And number 6, I mentioned 8 ways that people use it. Number 6, in traditional practices, the fruit or parts of it are boiled to create infusions or decoctions. The liquid are then consumed for their purported health benefits such as aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. This is beautiful, man. Look at that. Number 7, cosmetic use. The juice of the screw pine, and the top here is a little bit softer. The juice of the screw pine is sometimes used in homemade cosmetic treatments such as skin tonics or hair rinse, believed to promote healthy skin and hair. When do I use it in our hair? Yeah, man. And number 7, dye. They use it to make dye as well, Fire. Yeah, man. The juice, the fruit, or its extracts are used to produce natural dyes for fabrics because of its vibrant color and all of that stuff. So, 8 ways that this alien fruit, I call it, the screw pine, people use it. Huh? Interesting. So now you know you have something important here.
Yeah, man,
so when you pick it up, it wasn't by chance, man. And right now, people actually are opening their eyes across Jamaica who are watching now, over the world, and say, what kind of fruit that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So now if you want, guys, if you want, I'm gonna share you how I'm gonna mention how you can get in touch with Belcher, and how you can probably get some of the fruits, or if you want a plant for it or whatever it is. I'm gonna have you talk about. He lives in a lush. That's a wonderful, beautiful place here, a river running in his backyard. We're gonna talk about that a little later on, right? But just before I go back to him, I want to share, I promise you, 2 interesting facts about this fruit. 2 weirder facts. It's already weird, but I'm going to share two additional facts about this. And number 1 is that it's technically a cousin of the pineapple. Right?
Oh yeah.
Yes, man. A cousin of the pineapple. They say it's even though the word pine suggests that it's a tree.
Yeah.
It's not related to the pine tree at all, or the pine cone. Instead, it belongs to the Pandanus. That's the name of it. The scientific name. Actually, the scientific name is Pandanus. Yes, Pandanus utilis. So it's a member of the Pandanus family and is more closely related to the pineapple. All right, and number 2, believe it or not, the screw pine in certain cultures, it is considered sacred. The fruit, the leaves, and even the roots are used in religious rituals and ceremonies. So the tree itself is usually planted near temples and homes, they say, for protection and blessing fire. So bless up the house of the fireman. And now you know about this, the screw pine. You actually know, you didn't know the name of it?
No?
You just know it as a fruit?
Yeah, just know it as a, I just call it a blossom.
What do you call it?
Just call it the blossom.
The blossom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nobody know the name.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise the pine blossom we call it.
No, it's officially, man, it's screw pine.
Yeah.
From the scientific name is Pandanus utilis, and it's, as we say, related to the pineapple as well. Very interesting fruit, one of its kind, found here in the yard of the man Belcher in not Catadupa, Seven River near Cambridge area here in the country part of St. James. Another weird unusual fruit found right here in Jamaica. If anybody wants to get a hold of it, my brother, how they can reach you? In fact, hold on, don't mention it yet. He has a thriving accommodation here, guys. I'm going to come back to do something special about it. He lives right on the river bank. You hear the river on the outside there. And it's basically, you just jump off the house into the river. So, yes, so he's living the life here.
Right off the house top.
Right off the house top. So if you want the fruit, or you want to come for the water, the river, or the exploration, how can people reach you, my brother? You have a phone number?
Yeah. 397-4017.
876?
Yeah, 876.
So let's say it one more time again.
876. 397-4017.
Yeah, man. So Belcher, guys, and this screw pine, another unusual fruit here in Jamaica. I want to hear from you. Put a comment down below. And please, whatever you do, make sure you share this video. Share with somebody. You need to learn about these things, these unusual stuff that we find right here in Jamaica. There's another video I think you'll love to see, and that's the dragon fruit. There's a link in the description, and it's in the card above. See you in that one.